Hey, bro. And yes, I have wired headphones. No, I don't have AirPods. But anyways, like I was about to ask y'all, why are y'all up? Like, take y'all ass to bed. Like, stop trying to be grown. Stop trying to be all on Instagram. Why are you up? Take it. Hey, shout out to Notification Gang. I might keep this up for y'all. Though. Shout out to Notification Gang. And if you're not a part of Notification Gang, like, join it right now. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button and join it and turn on post notifications. It's that easy. Hey, one more thing though, I would like to tell y'all. Look, make sure you if you fuck with talking with Dreads, bro, right? Make sure you join the link in the description. Join the link in the description. It's called Dread Talk. Okay, so if you interested in dreads, anything like that. If you're not interested, then you know what I'm saying. But if you are, cause I'm telling y'all, bro, dreads on my channel is not gonna be too long for it. It's not like I'm not gonna be posting about dreads like that. You feel me? I'm gonna be posting about other things. But what I need y'all to do is go to the link in the description and join that Dread Talk. All right, it's only $3 a month. I just lowered it for y'all. $3 a month. You feel me? So 1, 2, 3, nigga, just like that. But go and link in the description and take y'all ass to bed, bro. That's simple.